Hello students, welcome once again to the biology classroom. Let us continue chapter fundamental unit of life with the remaining cell organelles, and today we will discuss about the ribosomes and vacuoles. So what are these ribosomes? As you all know, these are the protein factories. They are synthesizing proteins, and these are found in both prokaryote and eukaryotic cells, but they are absent in mammalian cells, red blood cells, and they are extremely small round bodies and composed of ribonucleic acid, RNA and proteins, and they are not bounded by a membrane. In prokaryotic cells, they are found scattered freely throughout the cell cytoplasm, and in eukaryotic cells, they are either present in the cytoplasm or they are attached on the outer surface of the membrane of rough endoplasmic reticulum. If you remember that, I have clearly shown you the presence of ribosomes on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. That's why it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. And what are they do? They are the sites of protein synthesis in the cell, and these proteins are utilized by the cell to perform different functions. Enzymes are made up of, and many more other things. And each ribosome consists of a smaller and larger unit, but their composition is different in prokaryotes and eukaryotes, right? In prokaryotes, ribosomes are 70s, and their smaller subunit is 30s and larger subunit is 50s. And in eukaryote, the ribosomes are of 80s ribosomes, and their larger subunit is of 60s and smaller is of 40s. So don't get confused with this, that if we add 30 with 50 and we will get 80. This S basically indicates the sedimentation coefficient, and it is nothing to do with this addition that we will add them and we will get the 80, but these are just the S means the sedimentation coefficient, and in prokaryotes it is 70s, and in eukaryotes it is 80s. So this is all about ribosomes, and let us see which is the next organelle. So next organelle is very important, and these are vacuoles, and these are the storage sacs for solid liquid material of the cell, and these are large single membrane bound bodies which are present in the cytoplasm of the cell. These are mainly found in plant cells. Their size is also vary in plant cells. The central vacuole of some plant cells is so large that it occupies up to 50 to 90% of the cell volume. And in animal cells, their size is very small. Now, what is the function of these vacuoles in a cells? Vacuoles store many cell sap and provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. Many important minerals, salts and other soluble substances are stored within these vacuoles. It maintains the concentration of salt and water in the cell. So vacuoles also store amino acids, proteins, sugar and some organic acid. In many unicellular organisms like amoeba and paramecium, vacuoles are found as food vacuoles. Now what this food vacuole do? This food vacuole help in the digestion of food particles, and in such organisms specialized vacuoles are found which are responsible for the elimination of excess of water and waste from the cell. Even the membrane of this vacuole is called as tonoplast. So please remember that the membrane of this vacuole is called as tonoplast. So this is all about the ribosomes and vacuoles. So these are small cell organelles, but they are very important for the cell. In our next lecture, we will study about the cell division. That's very important topic.